If you haven't seen us before, we're Ben and Sarah from Pack Lunch and Travel.
We're on a 32-day road trip around the UK and Ireland. We've been to the Lake District in England, Galloway Forest National Park in Scotland, explored the Causeway Coast in Northern Ireland.
And there's still lots more to come from Southern Ireland and Wales.
In this video we're going to travel across Ireland from Kerry to Wexford to get on an Irish ferry, where we'll be ending up in Wales for our final leg of this journey. On our way to Wexford, the alternate route.
Oh my goodness, this car park.
There's 10,000 in the car park and the waterfall's over there. Been driving for about 3 hours on day 20 for our UK and Ireland road trip. We made a detour,
Mahon Falls.
which we can see from here.
It looks pretty cool actually.
And follow along, because our search is to find every waterfall on this planet. Apparently there's 7,800 waterfalls, and we've seen 34.
Or 35.
It's a very long, straight, easy pathway.
It is, isn't it?
Which is like a windy path which gets you to the falls.
Very easy from the car park.
Very nice.
And you can see it all the way along the path. You can see the waterfall, so as it gets closer it looks more spectacular.
And the surrounding mountainous landscape's pretty cool.
It's really cool, I like it a lot.
Prepare to stop and give up some euros.
Is that what it said?
We've arrived. We've arrived in Wexford, 10 minutes from the Irish ferry.
Yeah, very good spot for the morning.
We're going to be staying one night in a luxury shed, and in this video we're going to give you a full tour of that shed. So, kitchen.
It's going to be a quick tour.
It's got an oven, sink, kettle, microwave. As we move into the living room, sofa, chair.
TV on the wall.
It's got a table, dining table I suppose. TV. We've got our own little private back garden as well. This is the bedroom. It looks pretty big bed, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? I hope it's comfy.
We've only got the one night, but if it's got a comfy bed, that would be very nice. Shower looks alright.
It's pretty cute actually, isn't it?
Sink.
It's got a miniature ironing board.
I mean, it's not bad considering we're in a shed.
Bad, is it? I think it's like a luxe shed, yeah. Like little fake plants growing out of the wall. Quite cute. Even though there was no internet or hot water in the shed and we could only get Gaelic TV, the bed was really comfy and we did have a good night's sleep, ready for our early morning start to catch the ferry. We had our usual breakfast and packed up and headed off just in time. We thought we had to get to the ferry at the latest an hour before the sailing, but it turned out there was nobody there when we got there, so we probably could have had an extra 50 minutes in bed.
Irish ferries, here we come. Let's see if Irish ferries are better than P&O ferries.
It wouldn't take much, would it? On the Irish ferry.
Quite a lot of leg room. There's chairs. We're kind of tucked out of the
security checks on the car. They haven't got the registration of our car because it's a hire car. And we didn't have to show a passport.
Okay.
So they're very laid back on the Irish ferries.
Got 4 hours. We'll be in Wales. Pembrokeshire.
Perhaps we'll have a bit of a nap.
We'll sleep nap.
Oh my god, we need tea, we've got lunch, we've got snacks, so we'll be okay. So far I'm liking Irish ferries a lot more.
A couple of screens up as well.
Yeah.
Sky Sports News.
Nice. Got a little table for your phone and the flask. It's quite a lot of space, isn't there?
We're back in the UK. It was a short drive back to our Airbnb in Pembrokeshire. So let's have a quick look around. Yorkshire tea.
Oh, let's have a proper brew. Nice.
Toaster, microwave.
Kettle mugs. That is just what we like to see.
Nice oven and kitchen space. 2 little beds.
2 dinky beds. Thanks for watching this video, and we really appreciate a thumbs up or a like and a share and all that good stuff. Subscribe if you haven't already, and do not miss the next video because it's gonna be a good one.
We'll see you all there.
Look!
Oh, look at that.
What are we gonna see?
If you're watching this video, make sure you watch the next one, because hopefully we'll see some of these.
Ding, 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 ding.
A big sofa,
Looks alright, doesn't it?
little shower.
Shower looks alright. Oh, it seems nice.
Seems like a pretty nice place.
Yeah.
Ah.